Alright, here we go. This is what it's gonna be. The breakfast. Yeah. Buttermilk pancakes. Now, I'm gonna show you how we do it. Got the pancake mix in the bowl. I'm gonna throw some of this cinnamon in the mix to make the mix better than the mix. Then use the purified water to the one that says just add water. This happens to be the one where you can just add water. If it says add milk, don't add water. Trust me, it leaves a hole in your pancake. Did that before. Okay. That's how it looks before you add the cinnamon. Now I'm going to add some of this cinnamon too. You know, brown it up. You'll actually taste that on the pancake, and it's real good. Look at that. Y'all do recognize that score, right? Wow. Oh my gosh, butter should be melted. And let's make them a little bigger. Okay, that's good. I am going to listen. Flip. Good flip. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Time for the egg. This is your brain on drugs. I'm going to go with 2. So I just did 3. Scrambling is easy. You just make a mess. So just make a mess. And then put your cheese in. Oh man, I put too much pepper. I'm going to have to switch that around. Hopefully I can't taste that. Oh man, that's bad. That is bad. What am I going to do? Golly! Okay, we do got a pepper problem. I'm going to have to figure this out. Let's see, we have to put some little cheese on there to cover it up. Yeah, let's cover it up. And, maybe some butter will squish around some of that pepper and get rid of it. I sure went for it last year. I should not have done that. But we're going to work it out. Just pour in some juice, orange juice. And the egg mistake with the pepper, the high amount of pepper, it can slide. Okay, it doesn't look as bad as what you may have thought. You can still see thick coats of pepper, but what you have to do if that happens is just add some more cheese and a little more butter to swish it around to get rid of that mistake. And when you get through tasting the cheese and everything, you just want to start the party from here to here, because this is where the game's at.